Hello friends, I am Anubhav Lamba on behalf of Guru KPO welcomes you all. Today we are going to learn the golden rules of accountancy. But before starting the golden rules of accountancy, we must know the word double entry system. What is the role of double entry system in accountancy? Actually, this double entry system is a Britisher system in which every transaction has a two aspect. One is money and second is money worth. There are two aspects. One is money, second is money worth. Money means price and money worth means commodity. If we involve in any transactions, we need two things. One is money and second is commodity, and that money and money worth is denoted in debit and credit. I repeat, the two words debit and credit, which we are going to use in our accountancy golden rules. But before starting that golden rule, we must know the word GAAP used in accountancy. The GAAP means generally accepted accounting principle. I repeat, generally accepted accounting principle. That means the rule which we are going to study is worldwide accepted and used by each and every company in preparing their accounts. Now, the golden rules of accountancy. Generally, the accountancy rules are divided into two parts. One is personal and second is impersonal. Here, personal word comes from person. The personal rule is further divided into a three part. One is natural. Natural means like name of the person, Sunish, Manish. If we are dealing with any living being, any person, that person will come under rule of natural. The second is artificial. Artificial means name of the company or name of the business, like Messrs. Ravi Trader and Maruti Limited. Now, the third is representative. Representative accounts include capital account, drawing account and bank account. Capital account always represent the owner. Drawing account always represent the owner. And the bank account is also represent a living being. So, these all three are personal accounts because they all have connection with living beings. Now, what is the rule of personal account? The rule is debit the receiver. I repeat, debit the receiver and credit the giver and credit the giver. In that case, suppose we have received a cash from Ajay. Now, Ajay is a personal and a natural. Now, here Ajay is a giving a cash, that means he is a giver. So, we will credit the Ajay accounts. So, this is about the personal rule. Now, the second rule is impersonal. Second rule is impersonal, but the impersonal is further divided into two sub-rules. That one is real and second is nominal. First, we are going to study about the rule real. Real accounts include all the assets which are used in the business. Now, for example, furniture, machinery and cash. They all are non-living thing and they all comes under the real account. Now, the question comes, what is the rule of this real account? The rule is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. I repeat, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Suppose if we buy a furniture, that means furniture is an asset, so it will comes under real account. We have purchased the furniture, that means furniture is coming in the business. According to the rule, debit what comes in and the furniture will be debited. Same in case if we are selling the furniture, that means furniture is going out from the business, we can say credit what goes out. That means furniture will be credited. So this is all about the real rule. Now, we comes on the rule nominal. Now, what is this nominal rule? This nominal rule include all the expenses and incomes related to the business. I repeat, all the expenses and income related to the business. They must be related from the business. Expenses, for example, salary, telephone bill, rent, and others. And income include rent received, interest received, commission received. Now, what is the rule of this nominal account? Debit all the expense and losses. Debit all the losses and expense. Credit all income and gain. Credit all income and gain. Suppose if we paid a salary to our employee, so salary is an expense. Salary is an expense. It will be debited. At the same time, if we received an interest, that means interest is an income. It will be credited. So this is the all about the golden rules of the accountancy. If you want to know further, you can log on to our website, that is www.gurukpo.com. Thank you very much.